In this video we're looking at spring flowering Australian native plants, and at the end of the video we'll take a look at some long flowering Australian native plants. Prostanthera cuneata. This is a compact shrub, aromatic foliage, ideal for low hedging or borders to about 1 metre. Rhodanthe anthemoides, attractive daisy-like flowers, ideal for a ground cover and for borders round about 1/3 of a metre. Damperia lineata, striking narrow leaf plants, very colourful flowers, perfect for a coastal garden, or you could use this one in a rock garden. Darwinia macrostegia, dense bushy shrub, ideal for small gardens. You can grow this one in containers as well, especially the grafted varieties. Homoranthus papillatus, commonly called the mouse and honey plant. Compact, low growing ground cover, spreads out to around about 3 metres, doesn't get more than about 1 metre in height. Delicate flowers, great for erosion control, and you could use this as a low growing conifer substitute. Darwinia hypericifolia, vibrant flowers, excellent for attracting pollinators in dry gardens. Spyridium coactifolium. This is a hardy shrub, great for sandy soil, and it fits into a lot of Australian garden landscape designs. Thryptomene calycina, low growing shrub, ideal for rockeries and a drought tolerant garden. Melaleuca violacea. This is a small shrub, vibrant flowers, excellent wildlife habitat in the garden. Boronia molloyae, aromatic ornamental shrub, very attractive red flowers, suitable for woodland gardens and native plantings. Tetratheca thymifolia, tiny vibrant flowers, perfect for rockeries or containers or in the general garden border. Calycina Boronia. This is a small shrub with attractive foliage, ideal for mixed borders or hedges. And Calycina Boronia is sometimes called the native elderberry, although they're not related at all. Isopogon, like this one, little drumsticks, makes a great little ground cover plant. It starts flowering in late winter and will flower well into spring. Xanthosia rotundifolia, evergreen ground cover, rounded leaves, perfect for coastal plantings. Orthrosanthus multiflorus, beautiful flowering perennial, ideal for gardens with rich and well-drained soil. This one's sometimes called the morning flag. Leptospermum copper sheen, attractive copper-coloured foliage is the main attraction of this one, perfect as a low hedging plant and feature plantings. Amobium alatum, tall slender plant with white flowers, ideal for cutting gardens and also attracts bees and other pollinators to the garden. Also known as the winged everlasting. Galzaunia verrucosa, hardy slow growing shrub, and this one's ideal for creating texture in the garden. Chrysocephalum applicatum, use this one as a ground cover, yellow flowers, excellent for erosion control in sunny areas. Ozomanthus diostifolius, dense fragrant foliage, great for hedging, also good as a border plant. Eremophila fasciata, this is a shrub with showy flowers, ideal for dry, rocky garden spaces. Eucalyptus petioleoris rosea, this is a small to medium-sized ornamental eucalypt. This one's got red flowers, perfect for adding structure to the garden. And now we come to long flowering Australian native plants, and Grevillea robin gordon is a standout, almost all year round in the right conditions. And there are many grevilleas that will flower over a long period of time. Here are a few more plants, and the actual length of flowering will depend on the climate zone and the growing conditions, soil, exposure to sun and other factors. So do a little research as to how they'll perform in your area, but they're all worth considering. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular updates on a whole range of Australian native plants, plants for the vegetable garden, Roses, landscaping ideas, fruit trees, rare and unusual plants, you name it. And as always, good luck with your gardening.